Hi everyone, welcome to chapter 1 on simultaneous equations. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick introduction on this chapter, okay, before we look at any examples. Now recall in basic algebra that if you only have one unknown, okay, so for example I have 2x equals to 6, for example, I can solve the equation because, with one unknown and one equation, it is easy to solve. Okay, so I just divide both sides by 2 and I just get x equals to 3. Okay, but what happens if I have two unknown in one equation? So for example, I have 2x plus y equals to 5. Can I solve this equation by itself? The answer is no, okay, because if you have two unknowns, you will need two, or rather a pair of equations. And so for example, I have another equation over here that looks like this. Okay, so I call this equation 1 and I call this equation number 2. Okay, take note that equation number 1 is inherently different from equation number 2. Okay, so with this pair of equations, I can now solve for x as well as y. Okay, and yeah, this pair of equations are called simultaneous equations. Okay, so the word simultaneous equations. Okay, and typically there will be two ways which we solve this simultaneous equations, known as elimination as well as substitution. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, which I'll go into further detail.